Good evening, my friends, investor, retail investors, especially and the new investors. I am continuing from last 1.5 years, and today you have to understand what I wanted to say you all regarding the market, equity market. Now today's topic is operators. Operators. Now this operators do not mean you, the telephone operator, computer operators or any other operators. They are the stock market operator. You have to understand stock market operator because yourself, myself, we all are associated with the markets. Now friends, most of the people, most of the investors and those who are not want to destroy much pain operating a company before making investment, what they do, they want a tips. I told you this tip is not the restaurant tip you spend 20 rupees, 50 rupees or 100 rupees and you be glad and the person receiving your tips also become glad. Tips, here you want to receive tips, that means you are happy with the 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. You want to become like that. Now listen carefully. I also gave you some tips because of you being associated with me, and those stock already given the return. But I say you be educated in the market especially, and then you can win in your life. Only 10-15% maximum they make money in the market, and really 3 to 4% or maximum 5% they become rich, really rich in the market. My topic is today operators. Now, who are the operators and how they do work? That I will explain today. One small story, most of you are little, not very big story, one short story. I'll spell here today, and I know many of you knowing the story, try to understand what is happening in the market and how the people, those with term as operator, they are making money. They are mainly one thing that you should be in fear. You should be in the grid. grid. You should be in the patienceless. So if you have fear, they want to win. If you have greed, they want to win. You are patienceless, they want to win. You are novice of market, they want to win. So you have to understand. Now who is operator? Might become operator in futures. Okay. Because I want to manipulate the stock price. You might become operator. You want to manipulate. That means operators are the persons, a group of persons. Are the cartels. They want to manipulate the stock price. So, one is penny stock, penny. This penny stock they mainly works on. Now, penny stock, what they will do? Small cap and penny stock, what they will do? This is not fundamentally strong, that is why penny. Their equities are heavy, that is why penny. They have a large debt on their book, that is why penny. their turnover not increasing, that is why penny. All these fundamental fact you have to understand. Now, penny stock means they are running at 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, yeah, 3 rupees 55 paisa, and they will walk, they will start buying, making buy, and this penny stock will move to 10 rupees, then 12 rupees, then it will 20 rupees, and they are the cartels, that is the group of persons, not individual, group of many persons, they joined hands, group of many persons, they joined hands, and they put the fund, with the fund, they bought 2 rupees shares at 10 rupees, 12 rupees, 20 rupees, and suddenly, by the time there is a demand created, by manipulations, they will be selling, start selling. We have seen, I can say you, few stocks, last 2 years, 3 years, they had, you can check into the Google also, they had the graph, like from 2017, 18, 19 you have seen, they had a graph like this, and then start falling, like this. Here the price was 2 rupees to 3 rupees, here it is 8 rupees, here at the juncture 11 rupees, there they took it to 25 rupees, then it went to 28 rupees, then it went to 40 rupees. Sorry. That is from 2 rupees to 40 rupees. So 20-fold multiplied their money, and after that they vanishes. So that they sold already by the time, and then the stock price today came down even 1 rupee 70 paisa, and there is no buyer, really speaking. You can, I don't remember exactly, one agro company, one retail company, retails company, as well as other, like one more company was there. If you put like any stock which fallen in 2019, so you will find one retail company, one agro company, another company also which fallen from 42 in paisas. Now friends, how this is happened? They walk on like this, they build up a pool, and they have a common fund, we say the pool fund. Sorry. And they start buying the fundamental stock which are not very strong, they start buying, and then they send you messages every day in WhatsApp, Telegram, then in messengers. They will put some like targets and all. They start commenting on the money control, and group of persons and many persons work for them for salaries, for fees and all. And the operators generally are the very big fund holder. That is, they are very rich, truly speaking. They rich from the market itself, and very intelligent people. They know the novice investor, new investor, the fear among the existing investor, greed among the existing as well as new investor, as well as patienceless. And then when you find the 2 rupees shares went to 8, and then 11, then 12, 13, every day going up 5%, or if there is a 20% are getting, it is 2 rupees, 3 rupees. You have a greed, and then you put your money. One short story, that is monkey story, you all know, I think. And sorry. Now how it worked, let's see. Then the village, and the peoples are very innocent, and near village there was a forest, and monkeys are there. with tails and all, monkeys are there. And one person one day came and offered 200 rupees to buy for one monkey. From village people went and got the monkey and sold it. And then he raised it is to 300. Then it is to 500. Then people rushed there, all people rushed there because easy income, just catch the monkeys and then sell to that person. The person was sitting with fund and he started buying all monkeys at 200 rupees, then 300 rupees, then 500 rupees, then 2000 rupees. When the monkeys became less here, and he kept all monkeys in cages. Now he again increased the price for 3000, and monkeys was not found by the villagers. Still they were roaming into the forest toward the whole day and found whatever monkey and sold to that person for 3000 because huge money. And after some time, the person he declared, okay, for 2 days special offer, 2 days special offer, offer for each monkey, 5,000 a monkey. So most of the people they rushed towards the forest and they hardly found some monkeys. 1, 2 who found and sold them to that person 5,000. After lapse of 1 day they did not found, and the second day they found some person who appears and selling monkey for 3,000. 3,000. Now everybody went there and bought all the monkeys, to be sold at 5,000 to that person. Now they bought all the monkeys for 3,000, so their profit should be 2,000. Now when they moved to that person for selling the market, they found the person is not there, and by the time third day, they are not finding the person who is buying for 5,000 because days is over, everything over. Now monkeys will not work for them. Now what they decided to go to and surrender the monkeys and get back 3,000 rupees for each monkey. But that person also disappeared. So both persons disappeared. Now just try to understand 3,000 less if their average cost even 1,000 rupees. So per monkey they earn 2,000 rupees. And it happened for say 10,000 monkeys. You have 5,000, you have 2,000 monkeys, you have 5,000 monkeys. So 5,000 into 2,000, how much they earned? Just 5 to the 10 and then 6 zeros. So you can find out crores of money they earned. Same thing happening in the markets. Same thing. They start buying, and good investor, novice investor, new investor, they do not have adequate knowledge. When you say this fact, 2 rupees shares gone to 40 rupees, or 30 rupees, buy, it is a chance to multiply money. Then the investor who is really having little bit expertise or having experience in the market, he will say, okay my friend, let me check up the fundamentals and then explain you equity size, depth in the book, turnover low, how it has gone there. And after that, the person will not buy. So be wise in the market. If you don't be wise, simply you came here to make money, not possible, my friends. I know many of you have not gone through my videos wholly. Most of the time I have explained to teach. I will not say teach, so it has become sentimental to you. I make you to understand that market will not give you money until unless you will learn to earn. So it is not only the brain intelligence and the patience, and you don't be great. You have to understand the practical things. Good night, friends. Today I am finishing here. Next week I have a little bit work somewhere, as well as my another channel. I think to place some videos over there, which is educational urgent. So next week I am coming here. If you like my advice, I will say, or my knowledge of experiences, and I have got little bit knowledge in the finance, having little bit expertise, and you can examine from my past recommendation of videos like Elecon Engineering, or say anything, say Maskan Pharmaceutical, IDFC Bank and all. From the point I said you to make money for the digital investor, as well as the many others MNCs. Okay friend, good night. I will say be literate and then make money. Only 5%, 3 to 4% become really rich in the market, using the market, and 10 to 15% they are making money, and 85%, 90% they lost money of their valuable money, of their valued earned money, and this is the fact, and will happen every time. Thank you. Good night.